got the closer in, and it was obvious while installing it that the original closer had flung out and ripped out. Someone put it back in, used deck screws, whatever. A $10 part here, a wind chain from Wright, is insurance to keep this door from getting whipped open again and maybe breaking, smashing something out here. So the next step for this door is a wind chain. The instructions for the wind chain say to install the spring cleat 18 inches from the door jamb and the door cleat 19 inches from the edge of the door. If you want your door to open a little more, say past 90 degrees, all you have to do is shrink one or both of these measurements and the door will open past 90, and there you go.